This is Series 2, Episode 24. Today is the 19th of November 2022. In this video today I will be talking about two stocks that are showing very nice price patterns and they could be about to move. They haven't moved yet, so I want to show you them because you might be interested in trading them or at least adding them to your watch list. Both stocks are in the biotechnology industry because I can see a lot of movement in biotech at the moment, and that is why I've been talking about smaller companies recently, because that's where I can see the movement. Here is my disclaimer. Everything I talk about in this video is for informational purposes only. If you decide to take action upon that information, that is your decision. You are responsible for all of your trading decisions. The first company I'm going to be talking about is this one here, ticker symbol OPRX. So the earnings report came out on the 8th of November, so the earnings is out of the way, and that is the catalyst for this movement, which I will show you shortly. But you'll see this historical chart. First of all, I often do this, show the historical chart so you can see where price used to be and where we are now. So that is the bigger time frame, and now I'll go down to the daily time frame as I always do and show you what I'm seeing on the technical side. So we're looking at the daily chart now, and it's probably a little bit clearer hopefully for you. So earnings comes out and you see this very aggressive move up. And look at the volume down below. Let's zoom in slightly here. Look at the massive amounts of volume as this rallies on earnings. And now guys, what we're seeing is sideways action. So consolidation phase. That doesn't mean it's going to move again, but it's sure, well, as I look at it, it does look like it could move. So let me just zoom out slightly again. Now I've drawn this line here because that is the previous area where price has stopped. As you see a spike here and the price has stopped. So what I'm looking for, and this is why I say get it on your watch list first, I'm looking for a break of this level here. So the official buy point for me, this is not a trading advice, this is just what I'm looking for, is a break of the number $22.87. So I want to see a break of 22.87. 2287. That will validate a breakout trade. If it doesn't get there, then this is not valid. So it's one of those to watch at the moment. But with this, look at this. It's a classic flag formation at the moment. So here's your flagpole up, and then we've got this consolidation phase where price is hopefully contained within this box. It might, if it drops lower, then forget it. Well, I'll be forgetting it. But if we see price up here, you need to be watching, pay attention, because this could move very quickly. And like I said, earnings is already finished. That's what caused this catalyst in price, and high volume down here. Volume is always important. So we're looking for that break there. I'll just remind you one more time. I want to see a breakout of $22.87. So that is that stock. And now I'll talk about one more. Again, biotech. Ticker symbol MACK. Here's the historical chart as I did on the previous stock. Price was all the way up here, now we're down here. So huge sell-off because it's a lot of these biotech companies are, you know, they're in early stages of development. So sometimes you get bullish moves like this and then a huge sell-off. But I'll show you what I'm seeing now. So this is the historical chart just to show you where price used to be. And now again, I will go down to the daily chart. This appears to be forming another high tight flag. If you're watching my previous videos, when I talk about high tight flags, you ought to be taking notice, because when they move fast. Now, why is it high tight flag? It's gone from $5 to over 10 in a very small space of time, short space of time. So earnings on this one was on the 3rd of November, but this, I'm not quite sure what this catalyst is, but that is a huge spike up. And again, guys, what we're seeing here is prices consolidating, and it could be forming a high type flag. So zoom out slightly. This is a very, very aggressive movement up. This is your flagpole, very, very aggressive, and then here is your kind of flag area. And I want to see price contained in that flag area. It needs to break out within the next 3 weeks to be valid. So this one, the breakout point, I need to see price at $13.76, which is just above this high here, 10 cents above this high. So I'll repeat that. For this to be a valid trade, it needs to break out above $13.76, and this is a high tight flag. So there you have it, guys, two potential stock ideas. The one I talked about last week, I was worried. I said that I didn't quite like the price action. It wasn't breaking out quite as nice as I thought it would. It was a confirmed breakout, but I was waiting to see if the price held, and it didn't. I'm still watching it, the one from last week, but at the moment not that interested when we've got other stocks to look at. So these two today look very, very nice in terms of their setup, technical setup, and the price action is all you need to know in most cases, because the fundamentals speak for themselves when you see the price. The market's forward thinking, so it's showing you by the price action that there's buyers on these stocks. So if you like what I'm doing, guys, as always, please like and subscribe. I talked about a Telegram, setting up a Telegram channel last week, but only one guy, Mark, is the only guy that responded. So there doesn't look like that many people are interested in that, so I'll hold fire on that idea for now. But thank you, Mark, for responding to the video. All the best, guys. Speak to you soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.